When the water in your hot tub smells musty or stale, then check the basics. Start with the pH level and sanitizer level. In most cases, you'll find that at least one of these is not correct. When the pH level is off, most sanitizers won't work properly. Set it between 7.2 and 7.6, and then correct the sanitizer value. Run the pumps for a bit, and wait a little while. The problem will most likely be solved. At the right pH levels, don't be afraid to use a bit more sanitizer than usual, because there's probably some contamination that needs to be dealt with. Sometimes it can also be the filter that causes the smell, so clean and replace it regularly. If you want to make hot tub water soft, clear, and natural, and water maintenance easy, then use O-Care Weekly Spa Care.